Scene 1. Introduction. Do you know the signs of a fatty liver? This question may seem a bit out of the blue, but the truth is, an alarming number of people are walking around with this silent condition, unaware of the potential it can cause. Fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver, is a growing health concern worldwide. It's a silent invader, often showing no symptoms until it has advanced to a serious stage. Recognizing the early signs of this condition crucial. It allows for prompt intervention, prevention and treatment, potentially saving you from serious health complications down the line. Knowledge is power, and understanding what to look out for can be your first line of defense in maintaining your health and well-being. So, let's arm ourselves with knowledge. In today's video, we will discuss 9 signs that you might have a fatty liver. Scene 2. Fatigue. The first sign of a fatty liver is fatigue. Now, when we say fatigue, we're not talking about the usual tiredness you feel after a long day. Instead, we're talking about an unshakable feeling of exhaustion, a persistent tiredness that lingers no matter how much rest you get. This isn't just about feeling sleepy, it's about lacking the energy to do even the simplest tasks. You see, your liver plays a crucial role in your body's energy production. When it's laden with fat, it struggles to perform its duties efficiently. This leads to a reduced energy output, which can manifest as a debilitating fatigue. It's important to remember that everyone has off, but if you're finding yourself constantly worn out, it could be a sign that your liver is under strain. So don't brush it off as just a case of poor sleep or overwork. If you're constantly feeling tired, it might be more than just a lack of sleep. Scene 3. Abdominal pain. Next up is pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen. It's a common symptom that many of us tend to dismiss, attributing it to something we ate or even stress. But if you've noticed a persistent discomfort or pain in the upper right side of your abdomen, it could be more than just a simple stomach upset. This is the area where your liver resides, and this discomfort could very well be a sign of liver inflammation, a condition often associated with a fatty liver. The liver is an incredible organ, capable of regenerating itself and performing hundreds of vital functions. However, when it's inflamed, it's essentially under stress, struggling to perform its tasks efficiently. This inflammation can trigger pain receptors in the liver's surrounding tissues, causing discomfort in the upper right abdomen. Remember, persistent pain should always be checked out by a healthcare professional. Scene 4. Unexplained weight loss. Sudden or unexplained weight loss is another sign to look out for. Now, we're not talking about a few pounds lost from a new workout routine or a change in diet. We're talking about a significant drop in weight that's happened without any clear reason. When the liver isn't functioning properly, it struggles to break down and distribute nutrients from the food we eat. This can result in the body burning through its own stores of fat and muscle to get the energy it needs, which can lead to unexpected weight loss. Fatty liver disease, in particular, can cause this kind of weight loss. As the liver becomes more inflamed and scarred from excess fat buildup, its ability to process nutrients and fats efficiently diminishes. This can lead to a cycle where the body is constantly trying to compensate for the liver's declining function, leading to further weight loss. If you're losing weight without trying, it's important to find out why. Swelling in the abdomen is a serious symptom that requires immediate attention. Now, let's delve a little deeper into this sign. The medical term for abdominal swelling is ascites, which is essentially the accumulation of fluid in the space between the lining of the abdomen and the organs. This can happen for various reasons, but when it's related to the liver, it's typically a sign of advanced disease. You see, one of the liver's jobs is to produce proteins that keep fluid in the bloodstream. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to make enough of these proteins, leading to fluid leakage into the abdomen. This swelling can cause discomfort and make you feel bloated or full. It can also lead to breathing difficulties as the swelling pushes up against the diaphragm. Scene 5. Abdominal swelling is a serious sign of liver disease and should never be ignored. If you notice this symptom, it's crucial to seek medical advice immediately. This symptom should never be ignored. Scene 6. Jaundice, the yellowing of the skin and eyes, is another sign. Jaundice isn't just a random event. It's a symptom that occurs when your liver isn't performing as it should be. The liver's main job is to filter out harmful substances from your blood, and one of these substances is a yellow compound called bilirubin. Under normal circumstances, the liver breaks down bilirubin and it's excreted out of the body. When the liver is compromised, it can't effectively process this compound. A result, bilirubin starts to build up in the blood and then seeps into the surrounding tissues, causing the skin and the whites of the eyes to take on a yellowish hue. This is what we know as jaundice. Not just a color change, it's a signal, a warning flag your body raises to tell you that your liver isn't doing well. Is a clear sign that something is wrong with your liver. Scene 7. Elevated liver enzymes can be a sign of liver inflammation or damage. Now, one might wonder, what exactly are these liver enzymes? Well, they are proteins that speed up certain chemical reactions in the liver. Two of the most commonly tested liver enzymes are alanine transaminase, or ALT, and aspartate transaminase, or... Now let's talk about why these enzymes might be elevated. When the liver is injured or inflamed, it releases these enzymes into the bloodstream. This is why a blood test showing higher than normal levels of ALT and AST can suggest liver inflammation or damage. It's important to note that elevated liver enzymes alone do not directly indicate a fatty liver. They are a signal that something may be going wrong in your liver. Other tests and evaluations may be required to determine the exact cause of liver damage. Regular blood tests can help detect these changes early, so remember to keep up with your regular health checkups. Scene 8. Increased bruising. Do you bruise easily? This could be a sign of a fatty liver. When your liver is in a healthy state, it produces proteins that are crucial for blood clotting. However, if your liver is damaged, perhaps due to a condition such as fatty liver disease, there can be a decrease in the production of these blood-clotting proteins. As a result, you might notice that you're bruising more easily than before. A minor bump or scrape that might have left no mark in the past could now result in a noticeable bruise. This increased tendency to bruise is your body's way of telling you that it's not producing enough clotting proteins to quickly heal these minor... Remember, your body is an interconnected system. When one part is not functioning at its best, it can have ripple effects throughout the rest of the system. If you're bruising more often than usual, it might be time to check your liver health. Scene 9. Loss of appetite and a general feeling of being unwell are common symptoms of liver problems. This might seem like a vague sign, but it's often one of the first to appear when liver issues are afoot. When the liver is not operating at its best, it can lead to a loss of appetite. This is because the liver plays a crucial role in digestion and metabolism, processing the nutrients from the food we eat. If it's struggling, you might not feel like eating. At the same time, you might also experience a general sense of feeling unwell. This could be anything from feeling weak and tired to experiencing nausea or even vomiting. It's your body's way of letting you know something is amiss. It's crucial not to ignore these signs, as they could be indicative of a more serious issue such as fatty liver disease. So listen to your body. If you're not feeling well and your appetite is poor, it might be your liver sending a signal. Scene 10. Dark urine. The final sign we'll discuss today is dark urine. When you notice your urine taking on a darker shade than usual, it might be more than just a sign of dehydration. It could be an indication of liver dysfunction. You see, one of the liver's many roles is to process waste products, one of which is bilirubin. Bilirubin is a yellow substance that your body produces when it replaces old red cells. The liver processes bilirubin, which is then eliminated in stool urine. However, when the liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin can build up in the body, leading to darker urine. This change in urine color may be accompanied by other symptoms such as light-colored stools and jaundice, the yellowing of the skin and eyes. So if your urine seems unusually dark, it's worth paying attention to. Remember, if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. Scene 11. Conclusion. In summary, the 9 signs of a fatty liver are chronic fatigue, abdominal pain or discomfort, unexplained weight loss, swelling in the abdomen, jaundice, elevated liver enzymes, increased bruising, a loss of appetite, and unusually dark urine. Each of these symptoms is a potential red flag indicating that your liver may be struggling under the burden of excess fat. Remember, these signs can easily be mistaken for other conditions, so it's crucial to seek professional medical advice if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. A simple blood test can help determine the health of your. Moreover, a fatty liver is not an inevitable part of life. It's largely preventable through a healthy diet, regular exercise, and moderation in alcohol consumption. Thank you for watching. Remember, early detection is key. Stay healthy and take care of your liver.